Here's a short and impactful introduction. The universe is teeming with worlds beyond our own. In this video, we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the search for habitable exoplanets and the profound implications for the future of humanity. This version is concise and highlights the key themes. 1. The vastness of the universe emphasizes the existence of countless worlds beyond our solar system. 2. The focus on habitability clearly states the central theme of the video. 3. Humanity's future connects the search for exoplanets to our long-term survival and exploration. This intro effectively sets the stage for the rest of the video. The universe's treasure hunt, finding a new home in the vast expanse of the cosmos, amidst billions of stars and countless planets, lies the tantalizing possibility of finding a new home for humanity. The search for habitable exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, has become a captivating quest, fueled by both scientific curiosity and the hope of securing a future for our species. A glimpse into the unknown exoplanets, once mere theoretical entities, have now become a reality, thanks to advancements in astronomical technology. Since the discovery of the first exoplanet in 1992, over 5,000 have been confirmed, each offering a glimpse into the diverse range of worlds that exist beyond our own cosmic backyard. The search for habitable exoplanets, those that possess the conditions necessary to support life as we know it, is a complex and multifaceted endeavor. Scientists meticulously analyze the properties of these distant worlds, focusing on factors such as temperature, atmospheric composition, and the presence of liquid water. By studying these characteristics, they aim to identify planets that could potentially harbor life, even if it differs significantly from our own. Challenges and opportunities. The search for habitable exoplanets is not without its challenges. The vast distances involved make direct observation difficult, forcing astronomers to rely on indirect methods such as measuring the star's wobble or detecting the planet's transit across the star's face. These techniques, while powerful, have their limitations, making it difficult to definitively determine a planet's habitability. Despite these challenges, the search for habitable exoplanets offers a wealth of opportunities. Not only does it hold the potential for discovering new life forms and expanding our understanding of the universe, but it also provides a glimmer of hope for the future of humanity. As our planet faces increasing environmental pressures, the prospect of finding a new home becomes increasingly alluring. The path ahead. The search for habitable exoplanets is a journey that has only just begun. As our technology advances, we can expect to discover even more exotic and diverse worlds, some of which may even possess the characteristics necessary to support life. The future holds the promise of exciting discoveries and new challenges as we continue our quest to explore the cosmos and find a place to call home. 1. The search for habitable exoplanets is a journey of hope, a testament to humanity's enduring quest for knowledge and a future among the stars. This ending is 1. Concise. It summarizes the main message in a few words. 2. Inspiring. It emphasizes hope and the pursuit of knowledge. 3. Evocative. It uses imagery like journey and future among the stars to create a sense of wonder. I hope this helps.